Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
What? Ah! Can you actually see the snow?
Yeah. Can you look at it, dude? Look at it. It looks crazy. You can see everything.
Dude, this is so sick, man.
Dude, you hear the echo so much. So many snow angels.
No way.
Hell. Come on, do it, man. Let me sick, man.
Holdy's got it, dude.
Oh, shit!
Go over there and do it. I'm gonna take this off. Go over there. You gotta do it. Make him do it.
You got it.
Drop, dude. Just drop. Okay. No. You got it. Sit down and do it.
Your hat. Don't forget the hat.
Come on, you got it, Holdy.
That's a beautiful angel. Look at the dandruff.
I know, man.
Turn the camera on again. That doesn't look like no snow angel. It's a devil angel.